Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In today's video, we are going to learn how to lock and unlock the Excel worksheet, and we are also going to learn how to lock only few cells in an Excel sheet. Here we have a sample data which includes product, unit price which is in rupees, quantity and sales amount. What we want to do now is we want to protect this entire sheet to make sure no one comes here and edit any of the details available here. To do that, let us go to review and then click protect sheet. You can simply click OK, or if you want any password to be given, then you can type the password here. For now, we can type a simple password. Let's take a password as ABC and click OK. It asks to enter the password again. Enter the password again. Click OK. Now this tab or this worksheet is password protected. Let's cross check if it is working. If I want to change the unit price, let's say instead of 15,000, if I want to click 16,000, then I get an error. The cell or chart you are trying to change is on a protected sheet, right? So you can't do the changes. Click OK. So if you want to unprotect the same sheet, then go to review again, click unprotect sheet, enter the password again, click OK. So now instead of 15,000, if I want to change it to 16,000, it allows me to change. Secondly, now we will go ahead and lock the entire sheet, but we want the user to input only the quantity. For that purpose, we want to keep only quantity column as editable and the rest of the columns as locked. How do we do that? For that, select the entire sheet, right click, then go to format cells, then make sure everything is locked. Click OK. After that, come to quantity column, select all those cells where you want to allow the user to edit the information. Right click, go to format cells again, just uncheck the locked option. Click OK. Now repeat the same process. Go to protect sheet, provide the password, click OK, provide the password again, OK. Now again the sheet is locked. If I want to enter something in the unit price or in the product columns, it will not allow me to enter anything. But if I come here to quantity section and if I want to change it from 100 to 200, it allows. That's how you can make only few cells or few columns editable, keeping all other columns in the worksheet as locked. Simply, if you want to unprotect, repeat the same process. Click unprotect sheet, type the password, click OK. Hope you enjoyed today's video and learned how to lock and unlock sheet or cells. If you like the content of the video, hit the like button, share the video, put your thoughts in the comment box, and until my next video, happy learning.